Central Asia is generally a dry region, but floods are common here. Riverine floods usually occur during the rapid rise in temperatures and snowmelt. Rain falling on snow or frozen soil amplifies flooding. Heavy rainfall may trigger flash floods or landslides, and strong winds may cause high waves on lakes. Floods disrupt transport, power supply, and irrigation networks, and cause significant damage across Central Asia. The impact of flooding can be exacerbated by deforestation, overgrazing, construction in flood-prone areas, and climate change. Hydrometeorological services are key players for early warning and forecasting of floods. But this task is complex and requires good coverage and quality of meteorological and hydrological observations, timely and frequent data transmission and exchange, localized and precise weather forecasts and hydrological modeling coupled with detailed geospatial data. Many large and small rivers are transboundary, so rapid communication and coordination on flood risks between countries is important. The Regional Flash Flood Guidance System, FFGS, which is already operational, informs where sudden floods might occur due to heavy rainfall. Recognizing the importance of flood warnings, the World Bank and the World Meteorological Organization, in partnership with IFAS, International Fund for Saving the Aral Sea, are supporting the 6 countries of the region in the development of the Central Asian Flood Early Warning System, CAFEUS. CAFEUS is a system of systems. It will introduce seamless data exchange among the participating countries, utilize advanced numerical weather prediction, and apply hydrological modeling. All this information is available through a single online platform and improves predictions of the location and timing of floods. Central Asia's regional centers on hydrology and meteorology are involved in CAFEUS design and testing, as well as the exchange of knowledge. Once the system has been built, tested, and becomes operational, it will support decision-making and the preparedness of disaster management agencies, central and local authorities. Weather-sensitive economic sectors, transport, energy, and agriculture will benefit from CAFEUS capabilities and products.